Imagine effortlessly removing a background from an image and replacing it with something stunning. Meet BgSub that makes background removal and replacement a breeze. Let's dive in and see how easy and fun it can be. Start by uploading your image. Watch as BgSub works its magic. Now, let's unleash your creativity by adding a new background. First, let's play with solid colors. Click on the color palette, choose your favorite hue, and voila! Your image now boasts a vibrant, solid background that pops. But why stop there? For a more stylish touch, select the gradient option. Choose your gradient colors and watch your image come to life with a beautiful gradient backdrop. Incredible, right? Let's explore how to add another image as your background. To add an image background, click on the image option, upload your desired background, and see how it seamlessly blends with your original subject. Once you are thrilled with your new background, hit the Save button. Your transformed image is ready to download and share with the world. And there you have it, a quick, easy, and exciting way to transform your images with BgSub. If you enjoyed the video, like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more awesome videos.